Hey guys, Jenna here from WTI. Today what I want to share with you is this amazing chocolate by Lily's. Now I love Lily's brand because they are a sugar-free brand. Most of their stuff is made with stevia, so it is a guilt-free treat, which I love. If you're trying to watch your sugars, this is a good one, especially because it tastes amazing. So I'm gonna open up the bar and show you exactly what it looks like. And I also love that it's wrapped in paper and not plastic because I am so sick of plastic. So this is what it looks like, and this is the crispy rice one, so you can see all the crispy rice in there. It is amazing, you guys. This is a dark chocolate, and it's delicious. It's so good. If you're trying to watch your sugars and you still love the taste of chocolate, I definitely recommend this, but that's just my point of view.